art friends. Welcome to Middle School Armenia. We're going to be drawing Michael Scott from The Office as a caricature. So to start with, I'm going to just kind of lay out where his head is going to be. Alright. There's going to be where his body is. Okay, so to get started, we are going to be drawing a line like that for the side of his head. Then we're going to make some giant arched eyebrows that go off his head like that. This guy is mainly eyebrows. Then we're going to draw a line coming down like that. And then we're going to come around for the nose. And just like that. And we're going to make two big circles for the eyes. Just like that, and we're gonna put the other part of his eye right in the middle, and we're gonna leave a little light for shine. There we go. Take that down a bit. Okay, looking good. Then we're gonna draw a line above the eyebrow like that. Doesn't have much forehead, and then we're going to draw the hair, and then the hair is going to come over and back down to the back of the head, and then we're going to draw a line up and over and up like so. Then we got a little ear here. Okay. Another little chin line there. Then for the other side of his face, it's going to come out, back down, and around like that. And then we've got this great big smile here. Like so. Some teeth like that, and then the bottom lip like that, little chin line. Looks pretty good. Okay, so now we're gonna do the neck and draw a little semicircle there, and we're gonna come back here, drop down here, come back up, come around, come back up, and then we've got a little V there, and a little necktie showing, shoulders, and we've got a V for where the jacket is, because he's always got his jacket on. Then we're going to draw a line down. We're going to draw a thumb, some fingers, and a line like that. And he's foreshortened because he's sticking his arm out. Then on this side, we're going to draw a line down, a line across, a line out, and then here we've got some fingers, a thumb. All right, almost done, kids. Now we're going to draw the rest of the jacket. There we go. And the pants. A letter U, a letter U, and there is our friend Michael Scott, the world's best boss in the whole world. All right, hey, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.